bakery, pharmacy, post office, train station, bus station, swimming pool, café, hotel, clothes store, beauty salon, cathedral, college, playground, sports center, car park, cinema, petrol station, shopping mall, Garda station, library. There is a modern library in Longford town. There isn't a cinema in Ballymahon. There are some friendly cafes in Edgeworthstown. There aren't any shopping centres in Granard. There is a beautiful cathedral in Longford. There isn't a swimming pool in Drumlish. There is a cheap pharmacy in Lanesborough. There is a small post office in Edgeworthstown. Is there a good cafe in this area? Is there a good swimming pool in your town? Is there a safe car park near the shopping centre? Is there a comfortable hotel in the city centre? Are there any exciting places in this town? Is there a hospital in your town? Is there a big post office in your area? Is there a good beauty salon nearby? There are some new hotels in Ireland. There aren't any new hotels in Ireland. There are some exciting places in Dublin. There aren't any exciting places in this area. There is a small post office in Longford. There isn't a post office in Longford. There is a problem. There is a message for you. There is a meeting at 10. There is an issue we need to talk about. There is a chance. There is a solution. There is enough time. There are many options. There are some good ideas. Is there a problem? Is there anything I can do? Are there any questions? Are there any updates? Ask for help. Be professional. Finish work on time. Follow the rules. Focus on your task. Leave early. Plan your day. Rest. See a doctor. Solve problems. Stay calm. Take a break. Try again. I asked for help when I need it. We are careful at work. They are professional and polite. We finish on time every day. I always follow the rules. I leave early on Fridays. I plan my day every morning. She sees a doctor once a year. We solve problems together. I take a break at 1 o'clock. I try again when I make a mistake.